There were no cries of boredom here today. Parents were given a helping hand to entertain these school holidays. HOTA's mini festival Kids Take Over is in full swing, a program of over 80 free and ticketed events across 15 superhero-themed activities.
It's about learning equals fun, it's their school holidays, and it's empowering.
Slime workshops were the first to fill up.
Good fun to make and stretch and stuff.
But there's plenty more on offer. From robotics to augmented reality.
We can make holograms on the iPad by scanning the code on there.
Kids are showing just how far a generation has come.
This is way above my head now. Even already I've got to ask her.
HOTA is expected to be chock-a-block for the next 3 days with eco-activities, tech workshops and good old-fashioned fun. The adults are in for a good time too.
If you want to destroy stuff out of cardboard, come down, join us, and we'll get you suited up and we'll have heaps of fun.
Box Wars is back and set for a huge battle to wrap up the fun on Saturday. You can register online for activities. They run from 10 to 2 each day.
Coming back tomorrow and the next day.
That's great for babysitting.
Lara Both, 7 Gold Coast